One and done. The updated login for BMWs with BMW operating system 8.5 and 9 simplifies the setup of your BMW ID in-car with your personalized settings in one easy step. Let's go. The first time you enter a BMW where your BMW ID is not registered, go to the BMW ID menu and click Add BMW ID. Scan the QR code on the display with your smartphone and confirm to add your BMW ID to the car. Now lean back and enjoy the automation. Your BMW ID is added to the vehicle. All user data and profile settings you have saved in the BMW cloud get downloaded. In BMWs with operating system 8.5, the physical key inside your car is automatically linked to your BMW ID. If you want to link a key afterwards, and two keys are detected, you can choose one by pressing the unlock button or link them both. Your personal settings are automatically activated when you open the car with a linked key. Last but not least, after the initial login, the car is added to your My BMW app, ready for remote interaction. That's all. Now your profile is set up, with your key linked to it and your car added to your My BMW app. You can set up more basic functions, or just click Finish to enjoy the drive and personalize your BMW later. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.